The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. Yes, me there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I have some things that I'm going to talk to you about, viewers and subscribers. See? And the first thing that I'm going to talk to you about is about an incident that happened within a country that is known as Antigua and Barbuda. It is said that a Jamaican-born man murdered his spouse, who is from the country that is known as Antigua and Barbuda. And it is said that the Jamaican-born man also injured the female's son. It is said that the female's son had been badly wounded, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, I have at least one more information that I'm going to give you about the incident. See? But before I say anything else, I'm going to present to you an audio that is from a person living within the country that is known as Antigua and Barbuda. Right? And this person is going to talk about that incident and other things as well. You see it? People, I'm going to tell you right now, some things that have been said in this audio might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the audio, listen and observe.
Hey, well, go on. This man here in Jamaica and the woman auntie and then kill the woman Sunday morning. Father's Day, chop up the woman, and when our son come, he wait for his son come home from work and him stab him in one ear and something and he start chop the boy, you know. But the boy that didn't got caught today, he still didn't charge him with murder and attempt murder. What I'm saying, in a right to doing it wrong, but I'm pissed off about the whole thing because when they do not like them over here, they start to cuss. We who not do nothing, they start cussing the Jamaica but then to get rid of them from yeah, not gonna shop and people just see up on the road and hear attack and hear a Jamaica and they make me strip fire. And then after them, I see them and I remember one police boy, I come from me kill one Jamaican girl now. The girl come here for look after her mother because the mother was supposed to do a surgery. So the mother asked him to receive the girl at the airport. He received the girl, found that he want log on. The girl tell him to shop her man. You know when doing straight up her friend on Facebook, the girl and her man. And I said, no, I can't somebody tell him and then I go support the girl now. And he might push on himself and the girl no why not with him. You know when they wait one day the mother the other day, they wait till the mother the other day and go there the yard. Hold on the girl and him strangle the girl. When the girl dead, the man cut the girl wrist, threw bleach in the girl mouth, and things say, well then, yeah. Then did I go say, well then, a suicide. Because that's what they have a saying, a suicide, the girl, you know. When I check it out, a strangle, the girl strangle, and then, you know, he take off him watch, they have one tank in the yard and put down him watch for the place when he wash off blood off her, and so then check and say, you know, long million about it coming at TV, remember that, you know. We have the something in my phone. I don't even know if I can't find them. I don't find them, I go send it through you. But then when I get up and I go and look, the one that killed the girl last year, November, I'm really for them go on social media post up. And I say, good. Good. And then I like Jamaican and I say, oh, they're sorry for the boy, he killed the Jamaican now. And then I say, good for her and they're sorry for him and nothing to do him. I tell a man about the pissed off for the man that, you know. They will share my she can be go your business, no? Me say beat her one time I did broke her too and put her in a bush for dead and cut her up and see stab her. And somebody passed me here and here soon and make like somebody a grown and chicken in this here. So a lot of people to her say she's stupid and so she do and then cause she bad and big female that put me and make them letting go the time and 3 years ago. So I don't know what is that. I'm 58 and she 50. So they must have she the one then.
Alright, so you hear the things that the person talked about in the audio that I just presented to you. That person talked about the incident that happened on Father's Day and other things as well. Alright, so I read a news article where it is said that this man had beaten that female and left her to dead or for dead some time ago. Before this incident on Father's Day. And if you listen to the audio, you hear the person talk about that incident as well too. See? So talk about a big warning sign. And the person never left that person. It is said that after that incident happened, where it is said that the man beat the female and left her to dead, they somehow got back together. And now this incident happened where she lost her life. It is said that the man who had been accused of killing his spouse on Father's Day goes by the last name of Boyd. And it is said that the female who lost her life goes by the name of Althea Henry. It is also said that the man who goes by the name of Boyd turned himself into the police on the 21st of June, the year 2021. My people, we just want to make you know about this incident. It's really sad to know something like this happen. Something like this shouldn't even happen at all. Alright, so I saw a video circulating on social media where it is said that an abandoned baby had been found by one or maybe more than one person. See? I did some research to see if I could find out where that incident happened or where the baby had been found. But informations about that video are limited. I have no information as to where the video had been recorded. I do not have any information as to when the video had been recorded. See? But anyways, I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to check the comment section of this video, as I will leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video if I get any information about that video that shows the baby that had been found by one or maybe more than one persons. See? So any information that I get about that incident, I will leave a comment or comment in the comment section of this video letting you know what's that about. Alright, so I'm going to move on to a video. Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is about an incident where it is said that a female attacked the police right in front of a courthouse that is located within the parish of St. James, that is within a country that is known as Jamaica. The incident happened on the 24th of June, the year 2021. I do not have a lot of confirmed information about the incident, viewers and subscribers. You see, I do not have any information as to why the female attacked the police, according to what had been said about the video on social media and other things as well. Is what I'm saying to you. But however, I'm going to present the video to you. This video is being talked about on social media. Some places on social media, it is said that the video shows when a female and the police was fighting in front of a courthouse in St. James, Jamaica. However, I'm just telling you some things that have been said on social media, right? And letting you know about this video. But anyways, I'm going to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, but I'm going to tell you from right now that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Beat up a woman, watch out, yeah? Watch the police have fight. Beat him up, I said they beat up. Yeah man, I saw that they want to beat up him man last week Wednesday. Yes, and the courthouse, police have kicked down people. Let us see, make sure I take back a sweat. Me I move out of my video. Like she see. Me watch my bag, me.
Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and everyone. And I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. See? Alright, so you can let me know what I think about the audio and the video that I presented to you. And you can also let me know what I think about the video that I talked to you about, where it is said that an abandoned baby had been found. See? Alright, so big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla.